Tired of losing potential buyers just before they're gone for good? Today, we're setting up an exit intent pop-up with Notification X to catch those escaping shoppers and give them an irresistible offer. Before we begin, make sure you have both the free and pro versions of the Notification X plugin installed and active on your WordPress site. To get started, head over to your WordPress sidebar, click on Notification X, and then click Add New to start a new campaign. First, give your campaign a descriptive name. Let's call it Exit Intent Pop-up. Under the Source tab, pick Exit Intent Pop-up from the notification types available, then click Next to move to Design Configuration. In the Design tab, select a template that suits your brand. If you want to customize it further, check out the Advanced Design section below. Here you can change your pop-up's maximum width, border radius, font sizes, colors, and even inject custom CSS. When your styling looks good, click Next. Now let's replace the placeholder content. Swap in your own product or campaign image from your media library. Next, update the copywriting. Rewrite the title, highlight your discount value in the headline, refresh your descriptions, and point your call to action button text to your actual shop URL. To drive conversions more, make sure the countdown timer toggle is switched on, and edit the countdown label to build massive urgency. Moving on to the Display tab. Here you can configure targeted placement visibility. For a site-wide store promotion like this, we'll keep Show Everywhere and make it visible to everyone. Lastly, configure your user behavior rules in the Customize section. Set your exit intent sensitivity and increase the frequency interval so that repeat visitors are not constantly interrupted. Hit that Publish button on the right once you are ready to make it live. Let's check out our live storefront. As soon as a shopper moves their cursor to leave the site, your irresistible flash sale offer intercepts them perfectly. And that's all it takes to boost conversions with Notification X. Was this video helpful? Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.